Hello, hi, and namaste. Welcome to our Kobo Toolbox tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating questionnaire forms using Kobo Toolbox. Before diving into the topic, let's know what Kobo Toolbox exactly is. Well, Kobo Toolbox is a powerful open source tool that allows you to design, deploy, and manage digital forms for data collection. Whether you are conducting surveys, assessments, or research studies, Kobo Toolbox provides a user friendly platform to streamline your data collection process. And it's really easy to use this platform. So I think this is going to help you a lot in your daily surveys. Let's get started. In the screen, you can see a simple fields along with its data type. For example, I have here full name and the type is text, age, I want that in number, gender, I have options, and similarly date of birth and so on. I have divided data to be collected into five different sections. We will deal how to make sections, how to make questions to accept different types of answer format like text, number, date, or multiple answers or single option answers. So everything will be answered in this video. Please stay tuned till the end. First of all, let's go to the Kobo Toolbox website, register and sign into our account. For that, simply open up any of your browser. I'm going to type here Kobo Toolbox, press enter. Then after that, the first option that you are seeing like https www.kobotoolbox.org is the official one. Just click on that. After that, you will get this interface. If you have not created an account till now, then you just simply have to create an account button, create an account. After that, you need to fill in all the required information, your full name, your organization name, your username. After that, you have to provide an valid email ID. After the sign up process, you will get the confirmation message in your inbox, your registered email. So please make sure the email ID you have been using is the active one. So the valid email ID with proper format, then provide let's just hit some random number for now. Then sector, what kind of service you are going to design. Country, select it, type your gender, select that, give a very strong password combination. See, use a few words, avoid common phrases, no need for symbols, gestures, or uppercase. So you can make simple one. After that, password confirmation, the same password has to be retyped and just hit on create account. After that, you will get message in your inbox right away like thanks for signing up with Kobo Toolbox, confirming your, just hit on this link like https Kobo, click on this. Below that you will be given your username that you just entered. So after clicking on this first link, you can validate or activate your account. After that, just click on login, or you can go here like sign in. Like the first step you land is this screen. We didn't have an account, so we created an account, but now we are all set with our account. So just click on sign in wherever you say it. After that, type in your username, give your password, and click on login. Now you can see I have few forms which are deployed, some are in draft, some are archived. So, but we are creating a new form here. So to create a new form, you simply have to click on new button here. Then we are building everything from scratch. So build from scratch. But we are giving some title. Let's say student information, let's say it as survey. Just write simple description if you want to, else you can like leave it blank as well, it does not matter. You just can write year 2023 or anything. So that you need to select the sector again. After that, the country is required here. So select the relevant country, then simply click on create project. Just wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the layout. This is the main area where we need to design our form. The form for now will be designed in this way. I have some sample or some fields that I'm going to fit in the Kobo toolbox. So these are my fields, these are the data types. I'm going to design my form in this way. So what I have full name, then I have age, gender, DOB, and nationality. Then I have email address, phone number, address. First thing is I have full name. So to create any questions, you just need to click on this plus sign. Click on plus sign, then you will be redirected to this blank space. Just type in your question or your full name. First I have full name. I'll just type in full name, then click on add question. So in this section you need to be careful. What is the answer you are expecting full name to be? Is it text, number, decimal, date, or was it what it is? For now we all know full name has to be in text, so I'm selecting text. And the next is a little, you need to play around this mandatory response. Do you want this full name to be compulsory? If yes, go with yes. You don't mind it putting it blank, then no, but I want everything to be compulsory, so I'm clicking on yes. After that, cross this. Then we are going to create another field, and I'm going to click on plus. After that, I have to get age of that student. Click on add question. I want the age in a number format, 5, 6, 10, 12. So I'm clicking on number. Again, I want this to be compulsory, so I'm giving this. Again, click on this plus sign, and I want gender to be filled up. Gender, add question. Gender has to be, the respondent has to choose from male, female, or others. Select any one of the listed options. So click on select one. I want male, female, then others. Done. To make this compulsory, you have this setting here at the top. Click on this and make it yes. Mandatory response, yes. Cross this. Then we have to create another field which is going to be DOB. Add a question. DOB has to be in date format, so I'm clicking this. See, the type are seen on the left side. ABC is text, 1, 2, 3 is number format. The circular one is select one of many. DOB, this date symbol is visible. Contact number. For now, you can go either with text number. I'm going with text. Next, we have address. Address has to be in text, so I'm going with text. Then we have school name. School name. This is going to be in text. After school name, we have grade. Grade, so grade has to be in number, so for now I'm keeping it as number. Then I have like subjects that the student has taken, so add a question. For now, I have, if you see at my excel, then we can see subjects like options are maths, science, english, and history. Has to be able to select multiple, so I'm writing english 1, maths history, history, and suppose one science. Done. So see, the symbol for multiple question is three lines and three dots, whereas if you are going to select only one, then you could see it here in gender. It is a circular with a small circular inside. So gender is we are selecting one out of many, while subjects we are selecting as many as the user wants to. I'm going to create a question, copy paste that. Are you involved in any extracurricular activities? Please specify. So wait, I'm going to do it. I'm going to twist it around. I'm going to give user like yes or no option. Yes and no. And next I'm going to write if yes, specify. Then I'm adding this as text, but this has to be displayed only if the above questions, that is, are you involved in any extracurricular activities, that if response is yes, then the following question has to be displayed. If the user selects no, then this has to be skipped. For this, what you do is click on this setting here and go with skip logic and add a condition. Then you have this question will only be displayed if the following condition apply. Then select question from the list, click on it. Then we will go with are you involved in any extracurricular activities. So this will be displayed if it equals yes. If not, then this won't be displayed. Okay, cross this. Then let's make this some compulsory question so that we don't miss anything. Done. I'm going to the consent part. I'm writing on this. I give consent for my information to be collected and used for resource purpose. We have to select one. The respondent has to be able to select one. So I'm going to select one. Yes, no. Then we are almost done with everything. Then I want to write one thank you message. So for that, just thank you for filling up the form. Then add a question similarly. But this is the field which does not have to be filled by the respondents or the users. So I don't have to select a text, number, select menu, or this kind of data types. What I do is this is for the just the note to the respondents as he or she has given a time. So I'm just keeping it as note. And one thing that I missed is like while designing the form, if you need to rearrange the like order of the questions, you simply need to like click on this. Then you have this like arrow part, left, right, top, down. You just need to click and drag it wherever you want. For example, yes. So first was full name initially, but I dragged down so full name is below age now. But I want it the previous way, full name, age, and so on. If you want to delete any of the questions, like question, then you can simply click on this delete icon listed here. You will also see the name displayed here. If you are confused, you can do this. Like you can duplicate the question. Like if you want the same way to like if you want the text format but the different like name. For example, additional nickname. If you want this information, it is text format compulsory. Everything will be copied. You just can like change the title or the label of this, but I don't want this for now, so I'm just going to delete on. So once you have done adding questions, don't forget to save your form by clicking on the save button. So I think I'm done with the basic form creation. What we have done so far is we have created questions which are of text type, number, select one, select many, DOB, that is like date format, and what do you have? Node type and similar stuffs. Another is, I just don't want to mess this. Suppose you want to collect the GPS coordinates in every form, then you can write like GPS, add a question, and for all the location based questions, the type would be point. Okay, if you do this, the coordinates longitude and latitude will be automatically recorded from the device. So this can be something you would like to add. Let me add what you will need it further. Also, if you have some barcode which you want to scan and move forward, then you have this barcode or QR code. You can just select it and you can type in, enter, scan the QR code and move forward. And this calculate is for calculating the values, which we may discuss in some other videos. Um, let me, I don't want this for now. So I think I'm done with everything for now. So I will just save this form for now. Save, successfully updated. Okay, now to see how your form will look to respondents, you can preview your design form. For that, you can click on this I button here. If you just point out, it will display preview form. Just click on it. This allows you to test the form and make any necessary adjustments while previewing the form. So our form will look like full name, age, gender, DOB, no nationality, email, and please mind this star sign before the name of the question indicates that without filling off this field, you cannot move further. These are the compulsory questions to be filled up by the respondents. And see, you can see the difference. Like subjects, these are like you can click multiple, you can click all four or all two of four or anything, but this select one is either one. Are you involved in any extracurricular activities? Yes. So if yes, specify. If no, then that question is not displayed. I give consent for my information to be collected and used for research purpose. Yes, no, it will be recorded while using the mobile device, like latitude and longitude will be corrected. And please note that you orient the data collectors to maintain at least 5 meter accuracy. Above 5 meter accuracy is not taken that appropriate. So just say them to hold on for a minute. Just don't rush, wait, and they can proceed. So our form will look like this. But let's go back to our Excel form. Then I have written section 1, section 2, section 3, and I have altogether 5 sections. So how do we do this? Like from full name to nationality, I want to keep it as personal details. Let me copy this. I have kept that as section in Excel, but in Kobo we say it like grouping questions. So for that, you just simply need to click on this, click on the form that you want to group together. I want to group full name, then click on control, then select this age. I want gender as well, DOB as well, nationality as well. Then you simply need to go right side of the preview form, you have this insert cascading, and third option is create group with selected questions. You simply have to click on it, create group with selected questions. Then you can see here mini like down arrow with group name. Just I'll control V, paste, that is personal details. Similarly for others, email, contact number, address, you could do it the same way. Email, phone number, and address, that is contact information. Contact email, just click on this control, then either you could go with the down arrow key or just select with your mouse contact number, address. Then I'll click on again create group with the selected questions. I'll give a name. I just copied, so I'll do paste or operation contact. You could do the same way to other questions as well. For now I'm doing this much. And I would like to twist some other stuffs. Let me move this like consent stops to the top. I'll place it here. So what I want to do is before proceeding this survey, if the user provide consent, then only the rest of the questions has to be displayed to him. Else he or she should move to the end of the survey. For that, click on this personal details settings and skip logic, add a question, then I give consent for my information to be select this, and this has to be displayed only if they select yes. Okay, I'm done, and let's make this as compulsory. Okay, let's save and let's preview. So see, the middle part is not displayed because we have created a group and we have kept a condition. If the consent is given, only then the question or the group of questions has to be displayed. If not, this shouldn't be displayed. This contact information, and we have not given any skip logic based on the consent, so they are displayed. For example, if I write yes, then see personal details grouping questions are displayed: full name, age, gender, DOB, nationality. But if I click on no, then you should directly move to contact information. Okay, for now I will close this up. Then I think I am done with everything. With the adjustment, I have created a form with your necessary questions. Then I have grouped them and everything. Now, see, whatever we have done, it is all in draft version. Until and unless you deploy this form, it won't be visible to the respondents. So for making it live, you have to deploy this form. To make it live, you need to click on the deploy button. Then it will take a few seconds. After that, see, version 1 is deployed. If you make any changes, like if you make any changes or edit, add question, delete questions, validate anything, then you have to click on edit, edit. Then you need to make necessary changes, save. So after that, I have like student information survey year 2023. I'll click on edit, or you can just click on this display. See what I deployed the form. It was version 1 v1, and I made some necessary changes. But see what it is indicating. If you want to make these changes public, you must deploy this form. It's not deployed. You have made changes. It is served, but it's not live. So next you have seen v2 on deployed. You have made changes, but it's not deployed. So if you want to make your changes visible to the respondents, you have to redeploy the modified version as well. So click on redeploy. This will like override existing deployment. Yes, because I have made changes. See, you can see now v2. Similarly, as many times you make changes, you have to deploy it. And after that, to make this available for mobile app users to send their data, to collect data, like you have to go down, click on online, offline, multiple submission, and scroll down. You will see the last option as Android application. Use this option to collect data in the field with your Android device. If you choose this, then you can share this information with the respondents to configure their server, and they can proceed with the data collection part. Click on this. After that, you need to share this URL, username, and the password. What you can do is share this project and add a user, type their username which they have provided, and give them this access whichever you want. Do this and click on grant permission. They will be able to do it. And as respondents fill out this form, their responses will be recorded and stored in Kobo Toolbox. We can access these responses by going to the data tab, like this tab. But we don't have any questions or the responses right now, so this is not activated. For another, I'll show you. I have this form. See in the data tab, you can see in this format like table, reports, gallery. You can download it, you can plot it, you can see the plotted data in the map format, and so on. That's it. I hope you have learned the basics of creating questionnaire forms using Kobo Toolbox. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, Kobo Toolbox is a great tool for data collection and analysis. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel for more tutorials, and visit the Kobo Toolbox website to explore more advanced features. Happy form building. See you in the next video.